Now I'm ready. Need to see a cam. Here we go. 2011 Prime Sigs 2-box, number 35. Good luck. You guys see that new NBA product that Panini's coming out with? Starts with an E. I can't think of what it is. Big old chunks of real silver in there. Mark Duper. 236 of 499 for the Dolphins. Ty, T-O-B. Michael Turner. 297 of 499 for the Falcons. Jose, L-E-O. Retzlaff, Prime Proof, 78 of 99 for the Eagles. Shane, P-R-Y. The hit in the first box is a Clyde Gates. Rookie auto, 196 of 249 for the Dolphins. Ty, T-O-B. They got gold and platinum too. I didn't see that. I just happened to see the one picture with a block of .999 silver. Looks like it must be an ounce of silver. Tim Tebow, 455 of 499 for the Broncos. Shane, P-R-Y. Can't say that I do, Eric. Matt Forte, 150 of 499. Oh, that one's going to the Bears. That is Stephanie, EDG. Jimmy Graham, 469 of 499 for the Saints. Bo, B-O-R. And we got a redemption that, of course, I need the checklist for. Rookie Signature Platinum, 189. Denarius Moore. So Denarius Moore. Oh, let's see here. He was with the Raiders. So that is Ty, T-O-B. Yep. You are right, Eric. So Ty, T-O-B, picking up the Denarius Moore rookie signature platinum redemption. I know it says it expired, but you should be good. Panini's pretty good about taking care of those old redemptions, so you should be all right, Ty. That'll do it for Prime Sigs. Immaculate Baseball is full. Looks like the division random got a spot picked up in it. The Immaculate Football division random, that is. It's down to 7. We got 7 left in Crown Royal. 24 in the team random for Immaculate Football. Got those. Momentum Basketball down to 20 teams.